This next work order is on change of code on a alarm lock Trilogy DL2700.
Let's go ahead and change this code. We got the master code of 27849. 27849. Hit the alarm button. 01. Alarm again. And I'm going to put a new code 21498. Did not work. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete. Let's go ahead and delete the existing user code. And this user 01 is what I believe I've been using. 27849. Master code, alarm button, 01. Hit the alarm button and star. Let's see if that took out the existing user code of 65896. Yes, it did. Okay, so the user code has been deleted. Now I need to add a user code. So put the master back in. 27849. Hit the alarm button. 01. Alarm button. 21498. 498. And did not take it. Two, 1,4,9,8. Oh, I did take it. See, it's unlocked. And that's how I changed the code. So the old code was 65896. That should not work. Means it did not work. The new code 21498. 498. There we go. Code changed.
If you don't have a master code, go ahead and watch this video here, and I'll show you exactly how to reset to the factory default master code and take it from there.